Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Bigbasket app. Before going to the next step, please subscribe to our channel to get more updates on our new videos. Now open your Bigbasket app. How to create Bigbasket? If you are not aware of it, you can check out our video in our YouTube page. You will get to know the steps how to create your Bigbasket account. So in this video I'll be showing you how to use it. So once you open, you'll get you get an home page like this. Bigbasket is basically an grocery shopping application. So you can shop all your household items here, from vegetables till your toiletries. So as you can see, they come up with lot of offers also. There are some special offers that will be delivered in 30 minutes or even the discounts are there. So let us explore it. So as you can see, there is shop by category here. Here you can see they have fruits and vegetables, food grains, egg and meat, and kitchen and pet accessories, and cleaning and household, beauty and hygienic, snacks, bread, beverages, oil, and baby care. They have lot of options, and they have all the brands, lot of brands been empaneled with Bigbasket. Now we will just check on fresh fruits and vegetables. So as you can see, in fresh fruits and vegetable they have lot of varieties. So you have like fresh vegetables, fruits, and you have cubes and sprouts, cut cuts and sprouts. Cut is something you will get and chopped vegetables. So you are very busy, you cannot cut it as such, they will give you the cut product to your home. So you can directly use it for your cooking. So you have flowers for puja and seasonal fruits. So this, now the mango season is going on, you'll get large variety of mangoes here with good discounts. So you can order as per the all the apps, or you have a shopping app, it is the same. Go select which category you want to select as such and add them to your basket. So I'll be just ordering some ice cream for myself. I'll be ordering one chocolate and one vanilla. Once you ordered, so you can click on the basket on bottom right side corner. You can click here. So it will show, as you can see, no packing, leaflet, A4 size. So they'll be giving an bag free. And here if you want to write anything, you can write it out, or else you can click on checkout. So it will ask your address as such, and it will ask the timings when you want it to be delivered. You can choose the time, proceed to pay the amount, and the item will be delivered. So this is how to use your Bigbasket account. If you have any questions and anything, you can comment below. We'll be happy to rectify it. Thank you.